Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with KLKN News, looking at a pretty good chance for snow, especially for northern Nebraska. And really, all of Nebraska has a chance for snow. And we're going to look through all of the models because they're all in. The snow has started. It's just a matter of time now, and most of the models are on the same page. So let's take a look and see how much snow we're expecting. And if you like this, please subscribe. That would just be awesome and helpful and all that kind of good stuff. So here we go. This is Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Snow for the northwestern corner of the state. Maybe a little rain-snow mix in southeast Nebraska. That kind of fades away, then tries to come back as a rain-snow mix. Snow continues in the northwestern half of the state. As we head into Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the entire state has a chance for snow here. Rain-snow mix here. As we head through into Thursday morning, it all tapers off and moves off to the north and east, where Minnesota and South Dakota could just be seeing a wallop of snowfall. So here we go with the snowfall potential. And again, most of these are going to say the same thing. Anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of snow for the northwestern corner of the state, 2 to 3 for everybody else, and then less than 2 inches for southeast Nebraska. That's model number 1. Model number 2, also a long-range model, usually not quite as accurate until we get really close, and that's kind of where we're at right now, but saying the same thing. Less than an inch for southeast Nebraska, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 as you get into central Nebraska, then the 8 to 12 inches in north central and northwest Nebraska. Model number 3, a middle-ranged model, has the same thing. 10 to 12, maybe 13 inches of snow in north central and northwestern Nebraska, then less than an inch for southeastern Nebraska, and everybody else kind of in the middle. And it cuts off quick too. Notice that this is 2, 3, 4 inches right here, and then quickly jumps to the 8 to 10 range in north central and northwest Nebraska. Model number 4, basically the same thing. No snow in southeast Nebraska. We get that half an inch to 2 inches to 3 or 4 inches, and then quickly the 8 to 12 inches in north central and northwest Nebraska. So all these models basically saying the same thing. This one, model number 5, not as high a total, anywhere from 6 to 8 inches here, and not even that, 4 to 8 inches really. So this model is saying a lower amount, but it does spread it all the way south and east, where there's less than an inch for about everybody, and then 2 inches in central Nebraska. Then the last model, another short-term model, also saying anywhere from 6 to 12 inches for north central Nebraska, and then tapering off as you go south and southeast. So they're basically all on the same page. You know where the heavy snow is going to fall, and you know you're going to see less the further south you go. I think this area in southeast Nebraska right here, likely going to see a rain, snow, freezing rain, drizzle kind of mix, so thus lower amounts, maybe 1 to 2 inches from Omaha southwest to McCook, 2 to 4 inches in the Ogallala and North Platte up towards McCook, where there could be 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and then a little bit higher the further north you go. So that's, oops. Not going to do that again. Why did that do that? That was weird. There's ghosts in the machine. Okay, that's it. Hopefully everybody stays safe. Travel likely going to be difficult for north central and northwest Nebraska, and maybe parts of southeast Nebraska where that freezing rain possibility is at as well. So that's it for this storm. Again, subscribe if you do things like that. I would appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.